Hey guys, it's exciting news.
The Springboks will play July against Italy at Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium in NMB Stadium. Wow. I'm so excited. I'm looking every day for the tickets. I don't want to miss out. I'm definitely going. And please follow the Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium because we want the Springboks to come play, hey? Please, guys, please, I am asking you really nicely for the stadium.
Okay, yeah. You guys better watch out for the tickets before they sell out, guys.
Yeah, because it's going to as soon as the tickets are gonna go, it flies out to this. You see, you must keep an eye out for those tickets.
Bye.
Bye. Please, let us know in the comments. Are you excited? Please like and subscribe.